Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can, find Twitter ID. So in order to check your Twitter ID or the Twitter ID of some other profile that you are interested in, first of all you need to copy the Twitter account link, which just simply goes as twitter.com/username. But you can just open up the twitter.com web version, copy the link from the search bar. After that, after you have the profile link copied into your clipboard, we will need to use the help of the third-party service that is called twitterid.com. So let me enter this website real quick. So it goes as twitterid.com. Once at the website, first of all, let me wait for it to load, of course. To be honest with you, I'm fairly surprised by the fact that the website already, here it is. All that we need to do is to write the protocol, https semicolon / and then twitterid.com. But it might not be the case in your particular situation, so just try to reach this website somehow, depending on what device and browser you use, and then just pass the username, or as the link to the Twitter profile that we have copied earlier this video at this field. Tap at the convert button. And for some reason, I think we didn't copy the whole correct username. Yep, I forgot the letter T in the end, so let me manually add it like so. Already. So it seems like this field requires the username only without the link as far as I can read. So let's just enter username. And here we have it at the field below, the actual Twitter ID for this Twitter user. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.